welcome back to Pabbly. I'll show you today how you can track and manage your leads for free. So to do this, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Once this landing page of Pabbly Connect is going to open, if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. Once you're going to click on this sign up for free, you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. I have already signed in my account, so that's the reason that it is directly taking me to all Pabbly apps. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the option to enter your details and sign up for free inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, there's no credit cards or any cards required. You can directly enter your details like the name, email, phone number and sign up inside Pabbly Connect. Once you're going to sign up, this all Pabbly apps is going to open. Go on this Pabbly Connect, click on this Access Now. Once we click on this Access Now, what we have to do is we have to click on this button which says Create Workflow. Select the Workflow Builder. It totally depends upon you. If you wish, you can definitely go for new Workflow Builder which is faster and flexible, or the classic one which is stable and has a familiar approach. I'm going to select the new Workflow Builder, enter my workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. So if you also want to create a folder, go on this Create New Folder button and create your own. After entering the workflow name, selecting the folder, click on this Create. And once we click on this Create, a window something like this will appear in front of us. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to choose your trigger application. So today we're going to learn how to track and manage the leads for free using Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do is I use this Google Ads to collect the details of my lead. You can use any another platform too, like Meta Ads for Facebook, Instagram, or you can use LinkedIn Ads or something like that. And what you can do is you can directly collect the lead details into your workflow, which is Pabbly Connect's workflow, then add the lead details into your Google Sheets or in your CRM. Today, for example, I'm going to use this Google Ads and Google Sheets. You can use any another applications too. If you want a video tutorial dedicated towards Facebook to Google Sheets, Facebook lead ads to your CRM, Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets, Instagram lead ads to your CRM, and same goes for LinkedIn, is on our YouTube channel. You can check it out too. Now let's create this for Google Ads and Google Sheets. So to do this, we have to click on this Add Trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. And once I'm going to search for Google Ads, I'm going to select it. For the event, I'm going to select New Lead Form Entry and click on this Connect. We're going to receive this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads. And you're going to see that this is the campaign which I am creating. And in this campaign, we have to add a lead form. So to do this, go on this See More, then Lead Forms and click on this Add Lead Form button. Now over here, you have to select the details you wish to fill or get in this lead form. Now you're going to see that we have successfully added the details. Scroll, you're going to get the option of lead delivery. And over here, the webhook URL. So paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. Enter a key. Now after entering this key, you're going to see over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's click on this Send Test Data. And now it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test data over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response, and you're going to see that we have successfully captured this response. So yes, you're going to see that we have received these test details, which is the proof of the successful connection between our Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you have to just follow this text and do all of this, or you can follow me like I connected my Google Ads. You can also connect with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy. Now once you connect this, you're going to receive this test details. If you wish, you can continue with these test details and add them in your Google Sheets. And definitely it is going to run for your live leads too. Otherwise, what you can do is you can click on this recapture webhook response, wait till you receive a real lead and create that automation with that lead too. I am running a test campaign. My campaign is not in live mode, so I'm going to use this test details only, and I'm going to add these details into my Google Sheets. So to do this, I'm going to click on this Add New Action step, search for my action application which is Google Sheets, select it. For the event, I'm going to select Add New Row and click on this Connect. If you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on the Select Existing Connection and then Save. But if you haven't, click on this Add a New Connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this Allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you have to select the spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see, the name of my my spreadsheet is lead details. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet in which I want to add the lead details. Select the sheet, and one by one I'm going to add all of these details. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map these details, but you have to keep in mind that you only have to map the string value. After mapping all of these details, click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received the positive response. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details of the lead has been added overhead, be it the first name, last name, email, phone or company name. And with this we have successfully completed this workflow. So like I created this for Google Ads to Google Sheets, you can also add your CRM overhead. You can simply go to this add new action step, search for your CRM and add your CRM overhead, and automatically the lead details will be added in your CRM too. Not only this, I created this for Google Ads. You can create this for any another meta ad platform too, like Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn ads too. Or else if you're receiving the leads from a firm, or you can say Just Dial, Housing.com, 99 Acres, all of these are supported with Pabbly Connect. You can create this automation for all of these applications. You just have to check out our YouTube channel, and over there we have added the videos related to the same multiple times. So you can check out those videos and create amazing automation for your own business too, where you can track and manage your leads for free, because you're going to get 100 tasks free to explore Pabbly Connect. So now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And if you have some special requests on which you want a video related to this, you can drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, you can try this for your own business, because I'm going to attach the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.